Welcome to Herculeze, your local delivery marketplace. In this video, we will show you how to navigate Herculeze.com as a customer. The process of signing up is simple and fast. Getting a quote is free, and the local delivery provider can be connected to you and your delivery needs within minutes. To begin, just start off by clicking Get a Quote. And for a new customer account, click Sign Up and then Get Started. You will then be led to the Create an Account page, and you will be asked to put in your first and last name as well as your email, and you will then be asked to create a password. Awesome! Try on the next step. Once your account details are entered, you are ready to begin posting jobs. Posting a job is simple. All you need to do is enter some information so that delivery providers know exactly what to expect. Start by clicking Jobs and then click New Job. The next step is providing the details of the job, which will be needed by local delivery providers. First, write a job title, which should include the name of the item. Next, type in the address the item is being picked up at, as well as the address of where the item is being dropped off at. This should include the address, state, and zip code so that delivery providers know where they have to go to pick up the item, as well as where to drop off the item. After providing the details of the item's location, type in the weight and dimensions of the item. This will help delivery providers know exactly what to expect for the job, and will better prepare them to fulfill your delivery requests. After providing the weight and dimensions of the item, type in a brief description of what you expect from the provider during the delivery. This should include any stairs the item needs to go up or down, as well as the room and floor you expect the item to go into. The next step is to add any pictures of the item, which will help delivery providers know what to expect. An auction link should also be added, depending on how soon you want the item to be delivered. The more time that is added, the more competitive the auction will be. When your listing is ready, click Submit. Your job is now live and ready to be bid on by local delivery providers who are sure to get you a great price. Soon after posting, bids should be viewable by numerous delivery providers. You are free to choose whichever bid you want, and you can choose based on price or based off of a provider's profile. Once you have decided who your provider for the job will be, your payment will be sent to the Herculeze Holding account. Payment can be made using a PayPal account, a credit card, or a debit card. You may then communicate with your delivery provider by sending them a message in order to arrange the pickup. After the job is completed, be sure to click Job Complete and leave feedback for your provider upon your satisfaction. This ensures that your provider is paid and has feedback for other customers to view. Thank you, and enjoy the Herculeze Marketplace experience.